Hi guys, maglalaro ulit tayo ng kiosk. Pero day 2 na tayo sa laro na ito. At nung first day, pwede nyo i-check sa aking YouTube channel. Dito na tayo sa kiosk. Day 2. Dito na tayo maghihirap ng matindihan. Kasi parang sasabog na napaparanoid talaga ako sa pwestuang ito. Oh my gosh. Hey kid, great job on your first day. People were asking for something hot on these cold nights, so I got coffee machine. I've set it up for you, don't worry. Best of luck, kid. Whoosh! Shucks. May kapihan tayo. Wow. Ang gusto mo? Wanna hear a joke about pizza? Never mind, it's too cheesy. Ang pangit! Get my coffee. And a hotdog with ketchup. Anong unahin natin? Yung hotdog muna. Kahit yung kutsilyo. Oh my gosh. Okay. Nagalagay tayo ng buns. A hotdog with ketchup. Okay, paano magtimpla ng kape? Sana all is smooth. Soda. Ayun, coffee. Coffee. Open that. Okay. Dito. At dito. Okay. Ito po sir, ang kape nyo. Thanks. Here you go. Ayan na yung pera na yan. Ito muna.
A few moments later.
1 burger, 1 hotdog, a soda, and a coffee. Okay, soda muna tayo, men. Soda muna tayo, men. Kaya... Ay, hoy! Ay, natumba. Knife. Ayan yung burger. Raw burger. Raw burger. Trick shot. Cheese. Cheese packet. Here you go. Ihanda ko lang yung kape. Ay, hindi ko na makuha. Coffee lid. The buns look a little dry and stale, but it's fine. Ang arte mo, ate. Walang pake sa'yo. Dito ko may pake. Sorry. Ring-a-dig-a-ding. Ring-a-dig-a-dig-a-ding.
A few moments later. Ano yan? Ano ka?
Titingin mo, nakakatawa to. Gabi, naka-clown costume, gabing gabi. Sigurado ka ba sa pinaplano mo, kuya? Kung gusto mo bang mamatay? Hey there! I had a long day twisting balloons and now I'm hungry. Oh, ito ang boses ko sa kanya. Could I get a hot dog and a coffee, please? Bawal magkape ang mga pangit. Pero hindi ka pangit. Kaya bibigyan kita ng tubig. Dito lang yan, boss. Ayan. A hot dog with mustard. Kuhain lang natin yan sa sahig. Tapos lutuin. Kuha rin tayo ng bun. Tapos ilagay dyan. Check ang hot dog. Kuhain. Mustard. Please don't kill me if I give you this. Thanks. Here you go. Chill naman siya. Tapos... Yeah! Okay, takot na uli ako. Ayup ka. Magtalikod niya, iirit ako. Sige. Ayoko. Ingalabot ang puwet ko. Bro, na-traumatize ako doon. Bro, what the hell? Ate, kita mo ba yon? Ate.
A few moments later.
Hello.
I'd have 2 burgers, 1 beer, and a coffee. Please hurry, I'm freezing.
I'm paranoid. Burger, beer, coffee.
Shit. I'm fucking scared.
I'm scared. Maglalasing si ate. Nabusan na kami ng time capsule. Wait lang. Dito lang yan, te. Ate, dito lang yan. Eh, ba't sausage? Mali. Maging minahulog na lang kuhain natin. Cheese and mustard. Burger, lettuce and cheese. Kuha na tayo nito. Mali ito. Lettuce and cheese. Cut yan. Ay, coffee. Kape pa. Gusto nyo yung kape, bigyan natin ng kape.
Thanks. The hot coffee will warm me up. Here you go.
Is it our normal day today? Or is it a weird day today? I am being watched. At handa rin ako. Ba't ka nakangiti?
Hey, my wife
just left me. I need something to kill the pain. Give me 4 beers. What? Kuya, okay lang yan. Lahat tayo ay may pinagdadaanan. Kaso, mag-isa ka lang dyan, di talaga kita tutulungan yan. Okay. Oh, last beer. Magiging aswang yan. O kaya, jump scare. Thanks. See you around. To make me happy. Time na. Mag-end ship na tayo, guys. Day 3.